Today we'll find trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. So draw a right angle triangle, isosceles right angle at B, and let the sides be A. AB equals to A, and it is an isosceles triangle, so AB equals to BC, that is also equals to A. So consider an isosceles triangle right angle at B. Consider an isosceles triangle ABC right angled at B, in which AB equals to AC and angle B equals to 90 degree. Now let AB equals to BC, that is equals to A. Then by Pythagoras theorem, AC square, that is equals to AB square plus BC square. Or AC square, that is equals to A square plus A square, or this is equals to 2A square, or AC equals to root 2A. Now in triangle ABC, AB equals to BC because it is an isosceles triangle and we have taken it A. When the two sides are equal, so the angle A should be equals to angle C. Therefore, angle A equals to angle C. Why? Because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Now, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is equals to 180 degree. That is your angle sum property. Therefore, angle A plus 90 degree plus angle A equals to 180 degree, or twice of angle A equals to 90 degree, or this implies angle A, that is equals to 90 degree by 2, that is 45 degree. So angle A equals to angle C equals to 45 degree. Now sine of angle A, we have to find sine of angle A. What is sine of angle A? That is your perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So here the perpendicular is BC and the hypotenuse is AC. So that is equals to BC by AC. That is A upon root 2A. That is 1 by root 2. Or this implies sine of 45 degree, that is equals to 1 by root 2. Now cos of A. Cos of A means cos of A is your base by hypotenuse. Base is your AB. So it is AB by AC, or cos of 45 degree, that is equals to cos 45, base is how much? A. So it is again A by root 2A, that is equals to 1 by root 2. Then tan of A. Tan of A is P by B. Tan of A is P by B. What is P here? BC. What is B is AB. So tan 45, that is equals to A by A, that is equals to 1. Now, as we know, cosec is reciprocal of sine. So cosec of 45 degree, that is equals to reciprocal of sine 45, that is 1 by root 2. So it is root 2. Now sec of 45, that is equals to reciprocal of cos 45. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2? That is root 2. And cot 45, that is equals to reciprocal of tan 45. So that is reciprocal of 1 is 1. So sin A, that is P by B, that is BC by AC. So here you can write sin 45, we should write this one here, that is A by root 2A, that is 1 by root 2. We should write this one here. That will be much clear. And cosec is reciprocal of 45, root 2. Then cos 45, 1 by root 2. Sec 45, reciprocal of this, root 2. Tan 45, 1. Cot 45, reciprocal of 1, that is 1. Now, question number 2. We have to, this is IMCQ. Some options are there. Sin 2A equals to 2 sin A is true for A equals to what? So left hand side, that is sin of 2A. Let us take this one, 2 sin of sin of 2A means 2 into, let us take 0. Then this is sin of 0 degree, that is equals to 0. And 2 sin of A, that is 2 sin of 0 degree, that is 2 into 0, that is also 0. So what should be A? A should be 0 degree. So the correct option is A. Answer is A here. Okay. Now question number, fourth part of question number 2. It is given, find these values 2, 10, 30 degree upon 1 minus 10 square 30 degree. So what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is, that is 1 by root 3. So here 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus 10 square 30 degree. This is equals to 2 into tan 30, 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus tan 30, that is your 1 by root 3 square. So this is equals to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3. So it is 2 by root 3 divided by 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3. This is equals to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. 2 cancel, and this is equals to root 3. And root 3 is what? That is equals to tan 60 degree. So our option answer is C, that is tan 60 degree.